Welcome to Shri Shyam Enterprises, trader of digital readout machines and industrial gauges. The company was incorporated in the year 2010. At Mohali, we import our products from Taiwan, Turkey, and China. Excellent after-sales support, vast industry experience, flexible payment and shipment options make us stand apart from all brands. We offer a vast range of linear encoders, quick chucks, profile projectors, measuring instruments, and tools. Our digital readout systems and vertical turret milling machines are well known for their durability. Linear encoders, quick chucks, and profile projectors offered by us are some of our best-selling products. Our industrial air gauges and CNC adaptation holders are extremely reliable. We also provide video measuring and surface grinding machines that are a class apart. Along with that, we offer measuring instruments and tools that are best in the industry. To get more details, please visit our website www.shrishyament.com.